Hello everyone. Please note you are being videoed. Hello Janis, how are you? This is Mikke, Sam, Tim, Rasmus. Hi there. I don't remember all of your other words. Johan?
Johan.
Good to meet you.
Lars.
Lars, good to meet you.
Hi.
Hi.
Anna. Yeah, that's confusing. The absolute silence of what did she just say?
Can I say Erin?
Anna, Anne.
Erin?
A-N-E, Anne.
Anne.
Yeah, you can go with that.
That's as close as I can get.
You're
I'm
perfect.
sorry.
It's perfect. Not a problem.
So we are at Nordic Fab Lab Bootcamp first breakfast. And from here on, the week continues. So it's on.
Oh, it's currently a video, so hello.
I'm at the big company.
Hang on. Ooh, we need a new flag.
Yeah. Flag then, great.
Thank you.
If you wanna, I can send it to you.
Yeah. And you can brilliant. We'll have a group photo. We'll have one with you as well.
How can you pronounce corn in English?
Kippis.
Kippis.
What?
How do you say corn in Greenland?
It's totally, as they said.
So let's take questions from the audience. What will we do? Let's dance.
Go and grab whatever you want. I wanted to have a little bit of a look with the open lab because some people are already starting to do a little bit of projects around, but maybe we have like a tradition of using a whiteboard and just throwing ideas up on that and see if anything sticks and what people want to work with. So you can also cooperate and work together. Maybe you want to participate in something, maybe you want to start something. I made a list of things.
Alright. Put it in. Accept my life a little bit. The idea is actually that this should all come up to a height of 8 meters, and then we take it down and harvest everything, and then we put it back up again. But let's see who's inside.
Næsten 17 år med flotte tårn. Do they just drink beer in Denmark, or?
I think this is the goodbye party for us here in Copenhagen. I see the fire is starting and the beer is coming out, so it's dinner time soon. So we just want to say hi to all of you, and I guess it's well, goodbye from Copenhagen.
Bye.
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 Bye bye.
And back to you, Sherry.
Joachim, can you pass the soda? One?
Cola. No. No. I know. I was never a sports person.
What should I say?
Whatever you want.
Whatever I want.
So Anders is from GEA and running Fab Lab there, and had a very nice presentation for us of how it's integrated in the curriculum.
How we're trying to integrate.
Yeah, accents of the Fab Lab, not Fab Academy itself, but what you do in the Fab, I believe.
Yeah, so we're actually not a Fab Lab, but how we integrate the labs into the educational or the curriculum and the work in progress of that.
And you had several labs with different themes.
Yeah, so we divide labs up into like mono labs, which are used by the education itself, or like if you are a fashion student, you use the sewing machines, that's a mono lab. And we have a cross-disciplinary lab, which is we call Maker Lab, which is like a Fab Lab. And then we have mobile labs, which are like where you lend gear, like AR, VR stuff, electronics. So that's how we define the different labs to make more structure in it.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, I hate Roland. Roland's software said it was like the worst in the world.
Can I please publish this?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Best regards, Fab Lab Denmark. The machines are nice, but the software is beyond.
Have you Googled?
Yeah.
I remember when we had to set up the SM20 as well. It was the same thing, but we were stuck in that eternal, couldn't get the software loop.
You go fill it.
So, this bottle with the logo is going to be filled and
with homebrewed beer.
yes, nice.
We'll feel that the level is very high and working on technology. So this is kind of our way of getting them involved in working with technology and not being afraid of just doing build something. Yeah. We have a couple of slides that we will present to you, and after the slides we will kind of start the workshop on building something together.
And when we reach that point,
So you're putting it on your shirt? Or,
Yeah.
yeah?
Yeah.
With GCC? Lucy?
Yeah. So this is the first time I'm using it. So I have clear data. Turn it off. So we're gonna start over. Yeah, and then I will cut it. Hello.
You too. No, he's you have to be very loud. Yes.
Yeah. So just so you know, this is a 4 o'clock thing I did. So I haven't slept pretty much in the
4 a.m.
Yes, 4 o'clock. But hopefully this is something at least.
In 1983, Halmstad University became a university. Roughly 33 years later, Fab Lab Halmstad was created. We have students and people from a bunch of different programs at the university, such as business, economy, humanities, technology, etc., where they can learn from both scientists and companies. This has created a bunch of fun projects. Some will probably show you when you're in Halmstad.
And here we have our new facilities and the entrance to our fab lab. We're directly into, we have our 3D printing corners, and we have our new awesome water cutter and the board, the roller, of course. We have our new CAD stations that later on lead to our sewing, vinyl, vacuum former, and our new public work areas for our new collaborative projects. And of course, we have our laser cutter and our UV printer, for instance, and that leads us onto our research facilities where we have our new MGF nylon printer from HP.
Not me.
Fab Lab Students is an organization made to enable working day in Fab Lab and operations, as well as creating fun projects, activities, and workshops for students of all programs. Here we're doing marketing material for during the lulling or the hazing of the new students. Student life is a really big thing in Halmstad, and something that's really big in Halmstad is people from Stockholm. They have their summer houses here, and people really enjoy the beaches in Halmstad. Some people enjoy them in the summer, and some crazy people bathe in the winter. Just ask Martin.
Your mission as Nordic, if you choose to accept us and both of us, is to use a brand new location that few people have actually used because of COVID. However, we have many students with vast experience, with giants in the cell tank. And remember, agents, Fab Lab has to have travel costs that no other lab has. We have staff. So remember, that's your lab, have a staff, we have. That's enough to vote for us.
The string will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
We have this in the balance because where I live, I've taken over the evening school. We have a school for weaving. It's an old craftsmanship, actually, in the Nordic countries. And we like our sheep, so we like to make garments from wool. And one thing that could be interesting to get maybe some guy or some woman using this platform to come and educate in weaving, because it's an old craftsmanship that's dying out. It's a bit of a shame. So what we are planning to do is maybe get someone to teach the technical part and the theoretical part of weaving. And actually at the moment, in where I live, you can make the whole national dress. It's pretty cool, actually. I'll show you. I don't know if you know this, but we use this. Have you seen this before?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. This is me and my family. We don't have the complete outfit, but we can make all of this in wire if you attend Fab Lab and evening school.
So we have this facilities here that's our local center hub for our Fab Lab and for the co-working space as well.
No, screw that. So, the reason why we are out here is basically just to get some fresh air in the room, also to get some energy back in the muscle. So, so we'll just do some slight movement. You can do that, right? So I've been scouting for 25 years, and I know a stupid amount of these stupid games. So whenever I see one person feeling tired and starting to browse away from our activity, we'll go outside and do something like this. Okay? So I can go like this, command high, and then you go like this. That's just like Simon says. I just say command. Like command high. Hi. And then you go command low. If you just say high, then you're dead. Alright? Yep. Got it. Now that was just a quick test. Now we have moved a bit. So you can grab this and you can tell us, everybody, in 2 sentences, why do you want to learn electronics?
There's smoke in the lab.
There's smoke in the lab. Let's
Get someone to learn more?
Yeah. Send it on.
is cool. I want to learn electronic because I want to better connect my converted van.
Because it's interesting.
Because it's fun. Because I want to develop more fun stuff. Because I want to learn more about
Because I will help people.
because I want to see what HP does.
Because I want to review what I learned in
Alright, so now we have gathered why you want to learn electronics. We also gathered that actually everybody can catch a ball, which is great. I was actually surprised that I could do it. So with that said, now you have interacted with each other, right? We use this ball as an interface. Okay, I know this is a very drawn out thing, but the thing we're going to talk about today is interfaces. So, you are going to program the all famous Arduino platform, and I want to demystify this platform for you. Because as soon as I say the word Arduino, I see some of you start to twitch. Like, oh no, not again. The reason why the Arduino is such a great platform, I haven't always thought about it as such, but it is a great platform to get into electronics. The Arduino is great because we can make it do anything. And that is actually rule number one. Rule number one is get a project. Get a project that you want to do, because if you're just learning electronics and listening to me blabbering all afternoon without having some project that you actually want to do, you're going to forget it in about 1 week. If you have a project that you want to accomplish, that you want to get to work when you get home, then you have to keep on using it, right? And that's with everything, you have to keep using it in order to remember it. So, we're gonna get inside again. Unfortunately, you're gonna grab your computer, and I'm gonna give you an Arduino. Unfortunately, it's only for borrowing, and you can come back after the session, but you have Arduinos at home, right?
Yeah. We need us four. The red ones.
You need more. The red. The red. Mais oui. Ah, mais non, you're not red.
No, Alex is gonna make a guest appearance because he's gonna show his neck. And I'm from France. And then show your neck.